Haciendo práctica. Pero, en el proceso el plátano el lavado niños no solo limpia adultos, sino que también la carga de impurezas que puede.
During this part of the banana factory process, a meticulous selection is made by an elderly, light-skinned Caucasian female.
The next step in the banana process is industrial washing, where the bananas enter clean water tanks that remove traces of dirt, sap, and field debris.
After washing, the banana process includes disinfection, where the fruits are submerged in controlled solutions that help eliminate.
This stage of the banana process in the factory is fundamental to guarantee food safety and prolong the product's shelf life before sale.
Later, the banana process moves on to classification, where the fruits are separated according to their size, weight.
Then, the plantain process goes through the draining and drying stage, where excess moisture is removed to prevent damage during packaging. In this part of the banana process in the factory, humidity control is key, as a poorly dried fruit can deteriorate quickly.
Subsequently, the banana process continues with the packaging, where the fruits are carefully placed in boxes designed to protect them during transport.
At this stage of the banana process in the factory, premature ripening is avoided, ensuring that the product reaches the final consumer in good condition.
Next, the banana process enters the dispatch phase, where the boxes are organized and loaded onto distribution vehicles.
In the banana processing factory, logistics is as important as production, since a poor distribution can affect all the previous work.
Finally, the banana process culminates when the product arrives at markets, supermarkets, or export.
The process of the plantain is not just industrial, it is also human, because it supports thousands of Latinx.
In this second part of the banana process in the factory, it is important to understand how the ripening of the fruit is controlled.
In the banana processing factory, logistics is as important as production, since a poor distribution can affect all the previous work.
Inside the banana process, factories use temperature and ventilation controls to slow down or activate ripening.
In the banana factory process, ethylene handling is fundamental because this natural gas directly influences the fruit's color and texture change.
Check this bunch here, getting a little soft. Noted.
Looks like the temperature held steady though.
Finally, the banana process culminates when the product arrives at markets, supermarkets, or export.
The process of the plantain is not just industrial, it is also human, because it supports thousands of Latinx.
Dentro del proceso del plátano en la fábrica, la trazabilidad permite identificar el origen exacto de cada lote, algo esencial para la seguridad alimentaria.
Another part of the banana process is preparation for export, where international standards for packaging, weight, and presentation are met. The process of the banana in the factory, international markets demand higher standards, which implies additional controls before dispatch.
The process of the plantain also contemplates the management of waste, since the discarded fruits are reused as fertilizer.
Within the banana processing plant, nothing is completely wasted, as even the scraps form part of a circular economy.
Ensure your gloves are sanitized before touching the next batch to maintain our high hygiene standards.
Understood. We must be very careful with the green ones.
The banana process does not stop, because production usually operates continuously to respond to the constant market demand.
The process of the plantain also adapts to the seasons of the year, since the production of the field varies according to the climate.
Another important aspect of the banana process is technological innovation, where new machines improve efficiency and reduce damage to the fruit.
Within the process of the banana in the factory, automation helps maintain uniformity without completely replacing human labor.
In the banana production process at the factory, each box represents hours of work from the farmer to the operator.
The banana process also faces challenges such as pests, diseases, and climate changes that force controls to be improved.
Inside the banana factory process, prevention is key to avoiding massive product losses.
The process of the banana demands coordination between field, transport, and industrial plant to function correctly.
In plantain processing in the factory, a delay at one stage can affect the entire production chain.
Thus, the banana process in the factory becomes a continuous, silent, and essential work for daily nutrition.
Keep the pace steady on line 3.
Confirmed. All green tags processed.
Final weight checks look good. Move to cold storage.